Our attention has been drawn that over 30 Biafra army has been killed by Nigeria military. Simon Ekpa replied that the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile has said that this is a rumor that the car was taken but no life was lost. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And if you don't say you never give the channel a follow, I don't know what you are waiting for. Yeah, may you quickly go right now and also subscribe and turn your notification bell for quick update as it is hot. Don't be smart, you know. The legal counsel of Mazin Namdekalo, which is a lawyer, Jumako, has come aside and said that the only thing that can make Igbo people happy is to release Mazin Namdekalo. There should be no negotiation while he's still in detention. Smart, you know, things are really happening as we they talk now. They say Nigeria army don't come aside though. They say they don't buy 30 Biafra Liberation Army. But we are going to read that the response of Simon Ekpa concerning this particular update that pump up. So stay tuned. Let's go through it together. Over 30 armed men of Biafra Liberation Army (BLA) of autopilot group led by Mr. Simon Ekpa arrested, many killed in a crash between the group armed men and the Nigeria soldiers. This is happening 24 hours ago after the launch of the armed group by Simon Ekpa. And this is the response of Simon Ekpa regarding this update. Our attention has been drawn to a report from agents of Nigeria. The Biafra Liberation Army patrol helos was parked at a location and the terrorist army went there with an intel from the people posting it. There was no exchange of fire. There was no BLA personnel there. Nobody was arrested or captured. No weapon lost to Nigeria, but of course, as usual, they presented them gun. We don't use them gun. Our personnel are intact and we will collect our heroes back. It is the part of the liberation. Disregard those idiots posting and sharing trash. My people, this is a reply from PM wey be Simon Ekpa, Biafra Republic government in exile, regarding this post that pump up today. Will be smart, you know. They say things are happening. We are going to show you the new video of the Biafra Liberation Army on the patrol. So let's play the video before we come back and continue.
Makandum, aya. Abokola.
So that video you just watched is Biafra Liberation Army on training ground. No be smart, you know. They say Kasala go boss and they say it go red for everywhere. As it dey hot, may we quickly go look into this thing where they happen. We're waiting the barrister will be a lawyer Jumaka talk regarding Nnamdi still in detention. So let's read it out. This tweet is coming from the president of Ahanese Ndigo, but it being posted by Aloy Ejumako. It says Mazin Namdekalo is very crucial for any key discussion, and it is not possible to negotiate any peace while he is still in detention. It will be the joy of the Igbo to see Namdekalo released from detention. Chief Emmanuel Iwanyawu, the president of Ohaneze Ndigbo, said. No be small thing, no, things are happening. Don't worry. When we have said it before, when you begin to happen, if people will be running helter scatter and look for a way to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by force. So I've been saying it for a long time, and you people refuse to hear the voice of the people, and you can't govern people that don't want you. It's impossible. That is the fact, and that is the truth about all things. So releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will bring a lot of solution for what is happening today in Southeast. One of our Delta brothers don't blast in Warri brothers, say when they know they fight over nothing, that the oil well where they for their place, and another person they can't take them. However, say that they do boy and they follow the people where they steal their thing. I would like us to watch this video and hear what in telling brothers for this particular video that I want to show you now.
So I saw a video online where a young man is trying to drag the Delta Igbos into a tribal or ethnic war, saying they are immigrants. They just migrated to the place and tried to dominate the Delta state. And why are they even putting the capital in Asaba? You know, in Nigeria, if a young man buy Mercedes, he feel like he has arrived. But if you think that you have arrived, what will be the position of the owner of the Mercedes-Benz company? Why fighting for puff-puff when you can own the bread factory? You are fighting for capital to be in Warri when you can actually own an oil well that is in your region. Yes, Uweli, Warri, Sapele, oil Boroku for that area. Why not own oil well? If you own an oil well, that's a big fish. You can actually turn your small community to a Dubai. After all, Dubai is not the capital of UAE, but it's more developed than Abu Dhabi. That's what we are talking about. Sometimes I think that these guys are smart, because when they say, well, you know, they carry out. But when you see their thinking faculty, you now know that, see, development of Delta State has nothing to do with capital is in Asaba. Has nothing to do. If you have a good leader, he will develop everywhere. OT is developing Aba. Aba is not the capital of Abia State. For the last 24 years, it is your brothers Uduaga and Ibori that have been ruling Delta State. Ibori was charged for corruption. You people did not hold him for the money he squandered. It is only these last 8 years that even an Delta Igbo man ever ruled, which is Okowa. And I can tell you, Okowa is the worst governor that ever ruled the state. I'm not partial in my judgment. But for those 16 years that your two brothers have been ruling, did they develop your place? I think it's that they're putting capital in the Warri that is the problem. The same Edwin Clark that we are calling are the people that will make decision what they will use the money to do. Look at the data allocation throughout the last 8 years under Okowa. He didn't use it to do much. So I know what I'm talking about. And we are dragging Yoruba into the matter. Yoruba people should come and support me, that we know that Yoruba is from Yoruba. Now you are telling us that you are even a migrant. You are the one that migrated from Yoruba land to the Delta Igbo side. Because the last time I checked, the Delta Igbo are the biggest clan and tribe in the old Bendel. Check it now. From Asaba there down to Kwale, the other side, down to Igbanke, down to Abudu, are all Delta Igbos. They are all Igbos in the old Bende state. See, this one has entered. You are not pushing him to do the right thing. You want to cause war. You want to say, if we not get Warri to be the capital of... It is saying that by being the capital of Delta State, we develop Delta State. This kind of guy is the guy that, because of tribe and sentiment and hatred, even if a good guy like me come out from Delta Igbo, they will say, they won't vote me. They rather vote an idiot that is corrupt and will eat their money and will not develop their place because it's from their place. They will say, how can you own the capital and still want to rule us? This is the reason why Nigeria is where it is today. I'm out of here, Joe.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, my brother, Nana money, you never wake up. Why they go allow we people to rule? Why be say they know where you from? My God, it is said they accept you people. They will never accept you people. If you like, deny you people, continue denying Igbo. Continue all those data Igbo them. They continue denying. The more you deny Igbo, the more they chase you. Now they are calling Yoruba people to come and help them. Oh, yes. Because you refuse. Like if you tell people, all those people from Port Harcourt, if you tell those people from Rivers, they say, hey, they are not Igbo. We are not Igbo, but you are bearing my name. You are bearing an Igbo name. Like the one they are asking Nesian Wike, is there whining mat, turning himself up and down. So you see that hatred they have over Igbo, they must transfer it to you people because you are an Igbo man. So the earlier the better. If guys realize where you come from, the earlier the better. It will work for you people. But once you keep on denying your brothers, those people you are in fact, those people you call your brothers, why they are not your brothers? Now they are calling Yoruba. So who are you going to call to come and help you people when you start as well? My people, if we stay here, we'll go sleep for here. We'll quickly jump into the next update, but not in this particular video. So we'll update you guys later. May you try to share this video and also subscribe to this channel. So leave your own contribution in the comment section respectfully. Thank you so much for watching.